Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Jammu division in HRMS. Start by logging into the HRMS portal with your employee ID and secure password. Then navigate to the Transfer or Application section and select Jammu division from the location list. Next, upload scanned documents in the specified formats, double-check all fields for accuracy, and submit the application while noting the reference number displayed on screen for future tracking. Begin by selecting the appropriate application type and confirm the form fields match your service category. Then fill personal details and service history carefully to avoid mistakes. Choose Jammu division as your preferred location and set any priority options. Upload documents ensuring they meet file type and size limits. Review every entry slowly, and submit only after confirming all information is complete and accurate for a smooth processing experience. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like for more straightforward guides. Quick recommendation: life is too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling great while you handle HRMS tasks. It's a small treat that makes paperwork feel less dreary. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. After submission, copy the application reference number and take a screenshot of the confirmation page for your records. Monitor the HRMS dashboard and your official email for status changes and any additional document requests. Note response timelines and politely follow up with your supervisor or HR office if processing stalls. Keep a written log of communications and be ready to provide clarifications quickly to speed up approval for Jammu division placement.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.